It is high time to learn English. Let's learn together. Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. I am Pooja Ahuja and today I am going to share with you common vocabulary which is used in daily conversation. So before I start, I want to tell you one thing. If you find any grammatical mistake or wrong pronunciation in this video, so feel free to correct me. Okay? You can write in the comment box. So the first word is delusion. Delusion means illusion. Illusion means false belief. False belief means to live in fool's paradise. So the meaning of all these words is false belief or misconception. In Hindi we can say galatfahmi or bhram, illusion. So let's understand these words with the help of idiom. The idiom is to live in fool's paradise. So it means to live in fool's paradise means the state of happiness based on false hope. In other words, we can say to be happy because you don't accept how a bad situation is. It means false belief, false hope, to live in fool's paradise. For example, I appeared in an exam and to qualify that exam, minimum questions that I have to attempt is 50 questions out of 100. But I attempted only 30 questions and I'm thinking that I may qualify that exam, right? I'm thinking that it is the possibility that I may qualify exam. It means I am living in fool's paradise, right? On false hope, false belief, right? Another example is it is wrong to make promise when you don't want to keep it, because another person may live in fool's paradise as long as he believe you, right? So to live in fool's paradise means to live in false hope, false belief. Okay, so come to the word delusion. Delusion means illusion, of course, but there is a subtle difference between these two words. So let me try to make you understand. Delusion means false belief or misconception, right? For example, if I say somebody is watching me, I don't know whether somebody is watching me or not, but I'm thinking in my mind that somebody is watching me at this time. Somebody is judging me. Somebody is laughing at me. Somebody is making fun of me. But it is not reality. It may be real or it may not be real, but it is in my mind. I am thinking about it. So it is a delusion. Okay? You know, many people think about it, right? Suppose I am giving speech on stage and I'm in front of many people. So I'm thinking, oh my God, if I make mistakes, so what happened? What people will think about me? People will laugh at me. People will make fun of me. So, you know, this delusion stops our progress, okay? Sometimes we think, someone watching me. Okay, this is delusion. Another word is illusion. Illusion means something your senses misinterpret. For example, a magician can be called an illusionist. How? He takes card and makes it disappeared. And it seems like the card is disappeared, but in reality it exists, right? He may hide card in his sleeves of shirt. So it seems as card disappeared, so it is an illusion. I think the meaning of delusion, illusion or to live in fool's paradise is clear to you. The meaning of all these words is false belief, misconception, right? Next idiom is put one's best foot forward. Put someone's best foot forward. In place of someone or one, you can say, you can use any possessive pronoun like your, my, her, his, in this way. Let me give you example. So first of all, let's understand the meaning of put one's foot forward. it means try as hard as you can. It has two meaning. The first one is try as hard as you can, right? So let me give you example. If I say I don't know what other people are doing, I will put my best foot forward to qualify this exam. You must put your best foot forward to qualify that interview. It means you must try as hard as you can. Another meaning of this idiom is to behave very well in order to gain someone's approval. For example, I put my best foot forward to impress people. Another example, a couple of years ago, I went to Goa. So initially my parents were not giving me permission to go with my friends to Goa. So I put my best foot forward to convince them and I got permission. Another word is paradox. Paradox means contradiction or self-contradictory statements. So paradox means a person or thing that combines contradictory statements, contradictory features or qualities. If I say paradoxical statement, so paradoxical statement means contradictory statements, or I can say thought-provoking statements. You know, paradoxical statements will make you think more about anything. Let's understand the word paradox with examples. If I say listen to the sound of silence, this is the example of paradox. Contradictory statement it is. Another example, bright shadow. Again it is paradox. If I say to be kind you have to be cruel. Paradox. Save money by spending it. It's a paradoxical statement. Next word is no matter what. The meaning of this word is come what may. No matter what or come what may have same meaning. We can say chahe jo ho. I can say I want to do this no matter what happens. I want to qualify this exam come what may. It means no matter what happens, I want to qualify this exam. Thanks for watching this video, and I will meet you soon again on this same channel. And till then, take care and bye-bye.